Dear students, good afternoon to all. In the previous video, we have discussed about the marketing communication mix process and a broad perspective of marketing communication strategy. Let us remember where we are now. In the present day marketing environment, promotion plays an important role. Probably we will need more than one marketing connection tool, that is called integrated marketing communication mix. Integrated marketing communication mix involves bringing together a variety of different communication tools to deliver a common message and make a desired impact on customer perspective and the behavior. Thus, each tool should play a role and each message should be consistent. Students, I think you have got it clear about IMC, integrated marketing communication. It is a process of coordinating all these activities across different communication methods. It means persuading people to believe something, desire something, or to do something. The promotion mix refers to, now let us see about the promotional mix. Promotional mix refers to how marketers combine a range of marketing communication methods to execute their marketing activities. Different promotion mix elements are explained in this figure. See this figure. Different promotional mix elements are sales promotion, digital marketing, personal selling, direct marketing efforts, general advertising, public relations, guerrilla marketing, etc. First, let us discuss briefly about the sales promotion. Sales promotion means it offers incentives such as coupons, discounts, vouchers, short-term sales prices which often tempt to consumers in buying a product. Let us see, let us understand the types of sales promotion. First one, consumer sales promotion, which targets the consumers, and trade sales promotion that targets the retailers and wholesalers, and outside sales promotion activities such as advertising, publicity, public relation, special sales events, and inside sales promotion activities such as window displaying, promotional programs, and product displays. Now let us see the tools of sales promotion. Understand the tools of sales promotion. See, stimulation of sales achieving through contest games, giveaways, premiums and bonds offers, exchange schemes, price offers, coupons, fair and exhibitions, trading stamps, scratches and offers, and money back offers. Best example, scratches and offers. You all know that in our Android phones, if we download the app of PhonePe or Google, we are getting the scratches and winning a coupons for movie tickets or for lens cards and food offers, all this. And all these benefits the consumers directly or indirectly. This is about the rules of sales promotion. Now coming to personal selling. It is also known as personalized selling. Personal selling is nothing but a face-to-face selling. The benefits of personalized selling to a salesperson was to establish and grow rapport with the customers and to know the customer needs. See here in this figure, characteristics of personal selling or feedback. We can easily get the feedback from the customers about the product. Persuasion. Persuasion means creating belief or persuading the customer about the product and product quality and quantity, and flexibility. Easily we can know the tastes of the consumers, and we can easily change the product package or labeling according to the demand. Next bit means relationships, efficient communication interchange, and it is also, personal selling is also very expensive. It promotes sales, more sales. It supplies information regarding the products and additional benefits of the products, mutual benefits, dyadic communications. This is the characteristics of personal selling. I have taken here one example. Best example is real estate business. The real estate brokers use sales presentation activities for a couple looking their first home rather than the second home purchases. They give more and more offers for the first home purchases as compared to the second home purchases. This is about the personal selling. Now, direct marketing. Next one is direct marketing. Direct marketing is one-to-one approach. Direct marketing is one-to-one approach. Here, the sellers and customers directly interact with each other, that is without the involvement or interference of the intermediaries like wholesalers and retailers. The various vehicles of the direct marketing are direct mail, direct response television or radio, mail order catalogs, internet, telemarketing. The examples, best examples are Amway, Tupperware, herbal nutrition, food items, such etc. Characteristics of direct marketing is plotted here. You can see in this from this figure. And next, advertising. In this digital era, advertising plays an important role. There is a rapid increase and a widespread scope to the marketing to promote their products through advertisements. According to Philip Kotler, advertising is non-personal form of communication conducted through paid media under clear sponsorship. Features of advertising are paid form, non-personal, presentation, promotional, identified sponsor, mass communication, motivated and inspires. Next, best examples of the advertising are internet advertising, TV ads, radio ads, newspaper ads, hoardings and notice boards. This is about the advertising. Many we can advertise through different channels of about the products and services. The marketers advertising play important role to the marketers for promoting their products. Next one is public relations. A variety of programs designed to promote or protect the company's image on its individual products. See this figure. Features of public relations are securing cooperation of public, successful relation with public, satisfying different groups, engage in dialogue, or ongoing activity, specialized activity. Public relations is nothing but, for example, conducting CSR activities like nowadays helping hands during lockdown period. Many of the companies coming forward to help the needy people. Recently, Tata Group chairman donated a large sum of money during this lockdown period for the survival of the country, and many of the politicians, film industry people and various organizations coming together with their activities. It is also said to be one of the tools to gain the public relations. And the last topic is guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing is, first we understand what is guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing is a product of the shift to electronic media from traditional print, radio and television marketing. You already studied in the previous chapter, first unit, guerrilla marketing. It was coined by J. Conrado Levinson in his 1984 book Guerrilla Marketing. Guerrilla marketing is a form of marketing which uses unconventional methods of promotion to engage the audience. It means nothing but, students, guerrilla marketing takes place in public places such as streets, public parks, sporting events, festivals, beaches, shopping centers, etc. See the core concepts of guerrilla marketing. Entertain and engage rather than educate. Get the people talking. Think out of the box. Transform the ordinary to the extraordinary. Be spontaneous and unexpected. Okay, now let us see the types of guerrilla marketing. Here you can understand in detail about the guerrilla marketing. Guerrilla marketing, first type is viral or buzz marketing. In viral marketing, viral marketing means it creates a rose about the product. It means it starts conversations with one person to another person and a group of friends and families, etc. Next, stealth. Stealth means it is sneaking around the customers. Sneaking around the customers means In Telugu we say that మనసు దోచేయటం. For example, Walmart, Starbucks, stealth marketing. In stealth marketing, generally consumer is not consciously being subjected to ads, advertisements. It is also one of the unethical marketing practice, but the customer, most of the customers are attracted through this guerrilla marketing nowadays. Best examples are Walmart and Starbucks. Next, ambient focuses on getting ads in unusual places, creating brand recognition in unusual places without introducing the product. Next, ambush is same like police ambush intervention. It means immediately introducing, for example, now according to the availability or according to the needy places nowadays in the lockdown period, mostly due to coronavirus effects, they are manufacturing sanitizers, masks, etc. This is ambush marketing. Next, projection advertising means this YouTube's photo walls. Projection advertising, the products are advertised through YouTube's photo walls, etc. Next, astroturfing advertising. Astroturfing means masking the sponsors of the message. Example, political, advertising, religious. It means encouraging community to contribute something on the product with responsibility. That is astroturfing. I said no previously. Example, political, advertising, religious. All these may affect the consumers to attract or to forcefully purchase the product. The grassroots, this type of advertising is also called grassroots advertising. And the last one is street advertising. It is the easiest mode of promotion. By street side or roadside, they are selling they are marketing the products. This is the concept of guerrilla marketing. Let us see the principles of guerrilla marketing. Principles of guerrilla marketing. See, presence. Principles of guerrilla: chat rooms, forums, discussion boards, emails, radio, magazines, blogs, yellow pages, etc. Next one is activity, aware of the opportunities. Energy, continuous marketing. It is a continuous marketing means 360 degrees marketing, 24/7 hours working. Networks, importance of creating importance about the relationships. Smart, retaining the customers means customers not diverting the customers mind onto the another product. These are the principles of guerrilla marketing. Methods of guerrilla marketing: internet, through websites, pop-up ads, banners, memes in Facebooks, web blogs, personal web diaries, etc. And stickers, offering free demonstrations and talks, using SMS, text messages, etc. All these are guerrilla marketing. Best examples of guerrilla marketing are Nivea cream, 3M security glass, FedEx, Nike, Adidas and Coca-Cola brands, etc. This is all about the guerrilla marketing. With this, we have completed the marketing mix elements and integrated communication marketing and promotional elements. Thank you.